Hello everyone, I am your English teacher Richa Sharma from California Public School. I hope you all are fit and fine at your place. So today we are going to start with English language book as we are going to discuss topic number. Okay, so this topic comes under chapter 6 nouns, and during during the discussion of this topic we are going to discuss its type also, which is a singular number and the plural number. So I request you all to open page number 40 so that we can start discussing the topic number. First of all, what is number? Okay, the word which express count distinctions are called numbers. Okay, the word which help us in counting. Okay, like how many things are there in number, that is called number. Okay, like for example here, boy, the word boy, count distinction one boy. Okay, boys, if we talk about boys, then we automatically understand that we are talking here more than one boy. Next is tree. If we talk about tree, then we are talking here. We are talking about one tree, and if I talk about trees, so this refers to, or this shows more than one tree. Okay, so next we are going to discuss kinds of number or types of number. How many types are there of number? There are two types in English, the singular number and the plural number. Okay, so the singular number, what do we understand by singular number? Okay, when we speak of one thing or person, when we are talking about any one thing, the thing which is one in number, okay, or one in number or one in counting, that is said to be in singular number. Okay, when we speak of one thing or person, the noun is said to be in the singular number. For example, that we have read just now about tree and boy. Okay, next if I talk about plural number, what do we understand by plural number? When we speak of more than one thing, when we talk about more than one thing, okay, or person, the noun is said to be plural in number. For example, trees and boys. Okay, so singular number talks about single person or single thing, and plural number talks about more than one, more than one person or more than one thing. Okay, so this is a singular and plural number. Okay, I hope you have you have understood the difference between singular number and the plural number. Next we are going to discuss about the rules. Okay, because here are some of the rules which we are going to discuss, which are important to make the singular word or to change the singular number into the plural number. Now we are going to talk about that. So now we are going to talk about the nouns, the rules which are related with singular and plural number. First of all, the regular nouns which are ending with s. There are plural numbers which are usually ending with s, like car, one car, two cars, one dog, two dogs, one book, two books, one house, two houses, one apple, two apples. Okay, so these are simple number which are ending with s. Next, if we talk about the next rule, the words which are ending with s, the word which is ending with ch, the word which is ending with sh, x or z. Okay, a z rule is not is not given in this book, but if we talk about the rules, the words which are ending with s, ch, sh, x or z, so that word must be end with es. That words we will change into the plural by adding es. Okay, so here if we talk about bus, the word is ending with s, so we will make or change into plural by adding es. Bus, buses, match, matches. Next is dish, dishes, box, boxes, quiz, quizzes. Okay, so here the words which are ending with, specifically ending with s, ch, sh, x or z, so we are going to change into plural by adding es to them. Okay, and next if I talk about page number 41, and please keep this thing in your mind, if ch, if ch gives the sound of k, like here are the words which are giving the sound of ch, like bench, branch, ditch, church. Here all the during all these words, the ch word is ch letters are giving the sound ch. But if at any word ch gives the sound of a k, then we will add only s to make the plurals. Okay, then we will add only s to make its plural. Please keep this thing in your mind. Okay, and the words which are ending with e, as you can see on page number 41, if the words are ending with e, we will add only s to them. Games, ropes, plates, and so on. And in the second point, they have discussed the same thing that I have made you understand just now. And like arches, benches, branches, and if I talk about boxes, and faxes, addresses, and bushes, so all these words, and next they have given the note here itself, the word stomach and monarch and in ch, but you add s to form the plural. Why? Because the ch in these words sound like k. Okay, it gives the sound of k, so that's why we are going to add only s to make its plural form. Next, if we talk about page number 42, here are the rules given for the word which are ending with o, and here are mix up rules. We have to remember, there is no specific rule which is related with the words which are ending with o. We have to keep in mind, with some word it is we are adding only s, and with some word we are adding only es, and there are some words which ends which can be made into plural or change into plural by adding es and s as well as s. Okay, so the first one is here, like with some noun that end in o, just add s, like avocado, avocados, cello, cellos, cuckoo, cuckoos, rhino, rhinos, hippo, hippos, and so on. And next, if we talk about but with some noun that end in o, you add es to form the plural. Okay, but if we talk about some other nouns, which are ending with o, so we have to add es to change them into the plural, like tomato, tomatoes, potato, potatoes, flamingo, flamingos, hero, heroes. Okay, tornado, tornadoes, volcano, volcanoes, and dingo, dingoes. And next, if we talk about the nouns which are ending with o, you can add s as well as es to form the plural. Okay, it depends upon you whether you want to add s only or whether you want to add es. Okay, like the hello, hallows, hallows. Next is mango, mangoes, mangoes. As you can see here, the words which are ending with es also to form them into plural, and as well as s also. Okay, till the memento, mementos, and mementos. Next, if we talk about the rule, y, the words which are ending with y. So here are two rules, the words which are ending with y. In some of the words we are going to add only s, and in some of the words we are going to cut y and write ies to form the plural. So we are going to understand, why is it so. First of all, the words which are ending with vowel plus y, the if the word is ending with y and before y there is a vowel a, e, I, o, u. Okay, if before y there is a vowel, then we will add only s, and if before y there is no vowel a, e, I, o, u, then then we will cut y and write ies. Like for example, see here, day. Okay, before y there is a. Key, before y there is e. Before boy, before y there is o. Guy, before y there is donkey, before y there is e. So as you can notice here, before y, if there is a vowel, then we will add only s. Day, days. Key, keys. Boy, boys. Guy, guys. Donkey, donkeys. Now if we talk about the word which are ending with y and there is no vowel before it, okay, उसके आगे कोई vowel नहीं है. Like city, there is no vowel here. A, E, I, O, U, nothing. Okay, city, baby, story, party, country. So here we have to cut y and write our ies. Okay, so city, cities. Baby, babies. Story, stories. Party, parties. Country, countries. So here you can notice before y there is no vowel, there is only consonant. Okay, so if before y there is a vowel a, e, I, o, u, then we will add only s. If before y there is no vowel, then we will cut y and write ies. Okay, so this is the rule which is related with y. Okay, like on page number 43 given, like lady, ladies, cherry, cherries, family, families. So here the, before y there is no vowel, so we have simply replaced y by adding ies. We have cut y and write ies. And if we go on the second point, like toy, toys, trolley, trolleys, monkey, monkeys, or turkey, turkeys, or story, stories. Okay, so here before y there is vowel. Okay, next if we talk about, there are few nouns, from their plural, form their plural by changing the inside vowel of the singular. These are some irregular nouns. There is no specific rule which is followed by them. We just have to learn them specifically. Okay, so like mouse, mice. Foot, feet. Okay, goose, geese. Okay, and next if we talk about, man, men. Man, men. Like this we are going to change these words. Okay, so next if I talk about, woman, so it will be women. Okay, so we have to keep these things, keep these nouns in our mind. We have to learn them. Okay, there is no specific rules which is related to them. Okay, we have to learn them specifically. Okay, so next is, here is a tooth, teeth. And the same it is given on page number 43. Again, man, man. Foot, feet. Goose, geese. Woman, women, women. Tooth, teeth. Mouse, mice. And louse, lice. Okay, so now please turn page number 44, where some nouns, which are always in plural. Always in plural. There is no singular form of them, like pajamas, bermudas, spectacles, binoculars, shears, braces, trousers, briefs, you know uh, sunglasses, scissors, and pants and tongs. And some nouns are usually used in plural form, shoes, socks, sandals, chopsticks, slippers, gloves, sneakers, stockings, boots. So these are some of the nouns, which are always used into the plural form. Okay, and on the basis of this we have to solve the worksheet 7 and worksheet 8. If you have gone through the topic carefully, then we can easily solve, worksheet 7 and worksheet 8. Like I have given you the example of masks, owl, owls. Sandwich, the word is ending with ch. Sandwiches. Dress, the word is ending with s. Dresses. So you have to continuously keep in mind the rules which are related to them, and like that you have to solve the further worksheet. In worksheet 8, again they have given the words to us which have to be changed into the plural form, like chutki and I bought peaches. The word is ending with ch, so we have to add only es. From the shops. Okay, so you continuously have to keep in mind the rules also. And the second is the men. Okay, men. Okay, got into a fight over a bunch of trolleys. Okay, so you have to solve them like this. Okay, so please try to solve worksheet 7 and worksheet 8 after going through the content carefully, and I hope I have cleared your doubts regarding this topic. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.